First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa's recent visit to Masvingo has drawn sharp criticism after her presence led to major traffic disruptions and interruptions to business operations across the city and surrounding areas. Sanapinda mashoko onokwakunzi aiwa the First Lady kukanzirisa chaos apo paanodisrupta our traffic flow muguta reMasvingo. Lolugwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimabudanyira chiti Mrs. Mnangagwa was in Masvingo for a 2-day visit from Thursday to Friday, during which a heavy police presence was visible. Officers were reportedly stationed along a nearly 50-kilometer stretch from Masvingo CCBD to Mutendi, where she is said to have spent the night in courts. There were officers after every few hundred meters, said a government officials based at Benjamin Burombo building in Masvingo. Mrs. Mnangagwa attended a function in Rupike and another one at Mutendi. The level of deployment was excessive. It affected the movement and even access to some businesses. Local businesses and commuters alike experienced delays and disruptions, with many expressing frustration over the lack of public communication regarding the road closures and detours. The sudden traffic management measures reportedly brought parts of the city to a near standstill. Police sources, speaking on condition of anonymity, also expressed discontent over how the situation was handled in courts. Our normal duties were disrupted for 2 whole days just to provide unnecessary visibility, said one police officer. Some of us were pulled from stations when we were actually needed. It's not policing, it's political grandstanding. Tomashkanoya panamba chonato yawe nemapurisa aiwa havasi kuva satisfied aiwa nemabatiro anenge achiitiwa aiwa nekukonzeresa chaos kwazviitika muguta reMasvingo. Tudze mafunguro imo kudi pamusoro pechiitika chipinda comment section medu. Don't subscribe or like, so the bell icon.